What is a Piedmont Glacier? Have you ever wondered how glaciers transform as they move from steep mountains to flat plains? Today, we will uncover the fascinating world of Piedmont glaciers. A Piedmont glacier is a unique type of glacier that forms when a valley glacier flows out of a mountain valley and spreads over a flatter area at the base of the mountains. This process is especially interesting in the context of polar regions, where ice formations and dynamics play a vital role in shaping the environment. To understand a Piedmont glacier, we first need to know about valley glaciers. These glaciers are massive ice bodies that slowly move through valleys, shaped by the surrounding mountains. When a valley glacier reaches the end of its confined space and enters a flatter area, it no longer has steep walls to guide its flow. This allows the ice to fan out, creating a wide, bulbous lobe or fan shape. This newly spread-out glacier is what we call a Piedmont glacier. Piedmont glaciers have a distinct appearance, characterized by broad, fan-like lobes of ice that spread over the land. They often form in areas where mountain ranges meet coastal plains or flatlands. A prime example can be found in Alaska, which, while not strictly a polar region, shares some environmental similarities due to its cold climate and extensive ice cover. In polar regions, the primary ice formations are ice sheets and ice caps, which are much larger and cover vast areas. Piedmont glaciers are less common in these regions but are still important for understanding how glaciers behave at the edges of polar ice fields. The processes that create Piedmont glaciers, ice flowing from high to low areas and spreading out, help us understand how glaciers interact with different terrains. One of the largest Piedmont glaciers in North America is the Malaspina Glacier in Alaska. This glacier covers a vast area and spreads out over the coastal plain, serving as a real-world example of how Piedmont glaciers form and behave. While Alaska is not part of the polar regions, its cold temperatures and large ice masses make it a relevant case study. Studying Piedmont glaciers has practical applications too. Monitoring changes in their size and shape can indicate shifts in climate or ice dynamics. In polar regions, understanding these processes is essential for predicting how ice will respond to environmental changes. This knowledge can also help scientists assess how glacial meltwater affects sea levels and coastal ecosystems. While Piedmont glaciers may not be the main focus in polar regions, they provide valuable examples of how glaciers transition from confined mountain valleys to open, flat landscapes. Understanding these transitions is key to grasping how ice shapes the environment, especially where mountain glaciers meet coastal or lowland areas.